Why financial education is your best investment. Hi there, it's Luigi and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. In today's video, we are going to share with you why financial education is the best investment ever. So if you want to know why, then keep watching. Unfortunately, the most important talent that may make or break your financial success is not always taught in school. It's true that not everything about personal finance or investment is taught in a 4-year college degree. Financial statements are not required for doctors and lawyers to begin their own practices. The tax code may even be badly misunderstood by business owners and investors. The fact is that if you want to accumulate money and enjoy financial stability, you need to become financially literate. There is no other choice. The finest investment you can make is in yourself and your financial knowledge. It's the natural starting place for accumulating riches. Here are some of the advantages that being financially literate can give you. Provides lifetime profits that no one can ever take away from you. Expands your earning possibilities. Improves the return on investment. Enhances the quality of your life and your money. It can guarantee your retirement. Protects your portfolio against unneeded losses. Provides financial peace of mind. That is a huge list of benefits. But what about the drawbacks? Why don't more people learn these critical investment skills and improve their financial literacy? Well, because it takes time and effort, and some people are too busy for that. If you're prepared to put in the effort, you may reap the benefits of becoming financially literate. A lifetime of advantages could be yours to enjoy. After all, which would you prefer? Putting in some work for now for a lifetime of financial stability, or a little delay and avoidance now for a lifetime of financial mediocrity? Financial education is one of life's great bargains. If you look in the right places, it can cost nothing, risk nothing, and reap enormous dividends. It could be the most beneficial investment you can make. Now let's go through each of the reasons why financial education is your greatest investment. Most investment advice is a dangerous half-truth. Aren't you fed up with the inconsistent investing advice from all the financial and investment experts? Diversification is advocated by some experts as a way to lower risk, while it is decried by others as a way to assure average results. One expert recommends paying off all of your debt since it's bad, while another suggests using good debt to increase your net worth. The stock market, according to one expert, is the key to wealth, while real estate, according to another, is where the vast majority of billionaires are found. In order for a person to understand how to invest money, the claimed experts can't even agree on the subject. Despite the widespread belief that there is only one correct answer, a variety of financial experts provide wildly divergent and sometimes contradictory investing recommendations. To be an expert, you must recognize that most financial facts are more nuanced, so you don't insult your brain with soundbite investing advice. A soundbite or short article cannot fully convey even the most fundamental financial concepts like buying and holding equities for the long term. Each of these contradicting investing advice statements is only half accurate or untrue depending on the circumstances. Some instances call for leveraging up with excellent debt, while others call for paying down current debt. It all depends on the circumstances, of course. One reason financial education is required to comprehend the various shades of gray that lurk beneath all of the investing half-truths you hear. How else will you convert this data into successful investing decisions? You must understand when a conditional truth applies and when it should be ignored, since it might land you in financial problems. Investors are not all the same. Despite what all the investment professionals' marketing seminars and courses would have you think, there are no investment secrets. There are several methods to productively invest, and there are numerous sites from which to learn about them. Nothing new under the sun, and no marketer has a monopoly on teaching any certain sort of investment approach. If you don't want to pay thousands of dollars for a high-priced guru's bootcamp or conference, you can usually obtain very similar knowledge for less than $100 at your local library or online bookshop. What you won't find in a bookshop or from most financial gurus is the true secret to financial security. Determining which of the numerous possible investing methods will work for your specific scenario. Their investing advice is broad, but you require individual assistance. Not all investing techniques are suitable for everyone, but there are a few that might be suitable for you. And so, it is your responsibility to locate it so that you may reach financial stability. You are a person with your own set of abilities, history, experiences, and perspective on life. You have a distinct risk tolerance as well as preferences, time periods, and goals that differ from everyone else's. What are the chances that a weekend investing seminar or a week-long boot camp that teaches a single investment approach will be the best fit for your individual needs? It's illogical. The underlying assumption in most investor education is that one size fits all. It doesn't work for clothing, relationships, or eyewear, and it surely doesn't work for investing. One size does not fit all. Pre-packaged financial advice, investing seminars, and generic computer solutions that provide static financial truths can never measure up to individualized education that helps you uncover your own specific truth. Another reason why financial education is essential is so you can learn enough about yourself and the various investment strategies available to develop a wealth-building solution that is specifically tailored to your unique skills, values, and resources. It might be good to note that there are some things other people just can't teach you. You'll have to learn it yourself or do things yourself. Your financial intelligence compounds like money. In the same way that money accumulates, so does your financial knowledge. It's crucial that your financial knowledge expands at a rate at least as rapid as your assets. Why? Because investing $1 million with only $1,000 worth of knowledge may be one of the riskiest things you can do financially. Having a high level of financial literacy operates as a ceiling that restricts your wealth. A higher level of financial understanding opens up new horizons in terms of what you can afford. Your investing success or failure is largely determined by your level of financial knowledge. A better return on investment may be achieved by continually investing and learning to manage losses when they arise. You could end up with more money in your pocket and a better sense of financial stability as a result of this. Financial intelligence is a little-known phenomenon that grows and is compounded like money. The impact is not additive, but multiplicative. Every new piece of information adds up to the growing body of previously acquired information. When multiplied, it becomes exponentially larger. Every week, put money into your financial intelligence account in the same way that you deposit money into your investment accounts every month. In doing so, your financial intelligence will increase and develop ahead of the growth in your investment accounts so that you may secure your financial future for a lifetime. When you increase your financial intelligence, you increase the number of financial possibilities available to you. Financial intelligence is the one investment you can never lose. Financial education is analogous to an annuity. It is a one-time investment that will pay off for the rest of your life. People can take your money, but no one can ever take away your financial education. You can never unlearn anything after you've known it, right? The sooner you seek investor education, the sooner you will realize the benefits. The longer you practice financial literacy, the more you will benefit from it. Financial intelligence creates real freedom. Dependence occurs when you rely on others to make financial decisions for you. You will never be financially independent or secure if you rely on someone else to manage your money. You can't have full independence if you rely on someone else's expertise and knowledge for your own financial well-being. The world is riddled with people who amassed huge riches only to lose it all due to their own financial incompetence. Financial insecurity is the polar opposite of financial stability, regardless of how much money you have. Choosing the route of financial intelligence, where you learn to make judgments without consulting others, leads to investing knowledge. This enables you to confidently filter through all the conflicting perspectives and choose what is particularly true for you and your portfolio. The alternative is to rely on all of the contradictory and confusing viewpoints brought up as knowledge by others and play a guessing game as to what is true for you. And sometimes that just doesn't work out. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you in the next video.